Hey friends, it's me Stace, and today you're going to see Stace create this really cute Halloween door decor. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. All right, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside Cricut Design Space on the welcome screen. We're going to click on the Halloween category, and then we're going to go all the way to the bottom to find the home decor. So we have clothing, we have really fun image sets, Halloween projects, Cricut made costumes, jack-o'-lanterns, trick-or-treat bags. Then we have a bunch of Halloween stickers. Then we have drinkware, frightening fonts, Day of the Dead, and then we have a Spookify Your Home. This is the one we want. We're going to go to the right and click on the arrow to go to the next screen. And then one more time to find that Halloween door corner. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring up a preview window. Go ahead and click on Edit a Copy. I'm not editing anything, I just like seeing it laid out here. I'm going to change my machine from the Venture to the Maker. And we're going to click on Make It. And I do want two of these because I'm using Cricut cardstock, so I want to have two of them so I'm able to layer them together. I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue. I need to connect my machine. I will cut these out to go to the table and we'll put them together. All right, we are back and they are cut out. And I did cut out two of them because I'm using the Cricut cardstock. It's not very thick. This way I can layer them together. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my liquid glue, and I'm using art glitter glue, and I want to just put some dots along the side right here just to help hold these pieces down. Okay, then I'm going to take my ATG and just run some adhesive along the side here, and then very carefully line the two of them up. Okay, so get the bottom, that one lined up, and then the side. Okay, so that one is done. I'm going to open this one up and do the same thing. So I'm going to first put adhesive on the pieces just to help hold them down. You don't need a whole lot of glue. Okay, and I'll take my ATG, run it along this side, and then we'll lay these down, making sure everything lines up. Perfect. Isn't that cute? Now if you wanted to, you can put some yellow cardstock if you're going to double them up in between here, like cut out this again, use yellow cardstock for there, and for the pumpkin you can do some white for the ghost, some red for the spider. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead and hit pause, put this on my camera or on my door. Before I do that though, I do have a card kit for you. So you'll receive the same thing, 2 layers, so you're able to double them up and then put them on somewhere in your home for a Halloween decor. Let's go to the doorway and I will show you what they look like on the door frame. All right, here we are with our finished Halloween door decor. I absolutely love it. I think the size is super cute. It's not very big. It's like the perfect accent for a doorway. Now, if you find your piece might be falling off the wall, you can always take a few glue dots on the back of it to help it adhere to the wall. I did use 2 layers of Cricut cardstock, so it's a little bit more thicker and more durable, but I think it is really, really cute. Leave me your comments below on what you guys think. All right, there you have it, my friends, a really super easy Cricut Halloween project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.